Hey guys.
Welcome back to the channel.
So, cookie time.
Christmas time in the city.
All right, we're making Oreo cheesecake cookies.
Hear them ring.
Ding-a-ling.
Lings. Soon it will be
Christmas
Day.
All right. All right, so for this recipe, we need 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup butter, 1 egg, 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese, the best and the only one,
Sponsor us.
and about 10 to 15 Oreos.
Sponsor us.
All right. Oh, and some vanilla extract. Yes. All right, so.
Does anyone remember how these cookies used to be bigger before? I mean, look how pitiful they are now.
Yeah.
They're so small. There's hardly any cream in the middle anymore. Look at this. Now look how easy they come apart. Huh.
There's nothing in it.
It's sad.
Everything's
It's sad. They made everything so much more healthier than it was 10, 15 years ago. So
how dare they?
they wanting people to live longer and stuff. Let us die fat and happy.
There you go.
All right. Speaking of, let's continue this recipe.
All right. So first things first, it'll be butter. Where's my butter. Plop.
He puts the butter in the bowl.
Butter.
Puts the butter in the bowl.
Cream cheese.
It's a little size of the lambs for you guys if you're having a hard
Not really the batter. But
wow, it's not butter.
the
but
lotion.
you can
That's
say
the lotion in the basket.
there's some
Cream cheese.
wicked cream cheese.
Cream cheese. And both sugars.
Brown sugar.
Brown.
Granulated.
Granulated.
White sugar.
All right. And we're going to go mixy mix.
Oh, you're not going to mix it by hand?
No, we're going to use the hand blender.
Okay.
Hand mixer.
Very nice.
Then we mix it all together. Mix till the sugar, the butter, and the cream cheese becomes nice and smooth.
Make it wish you guys had smell of it. Recipe can be found below in the description as well.
Then we're gonna add the egg. No shells. No shells. One egg. And then we're gonna incorporate the flour slowly. And we'll continue to incorporate it until it forms a nice little batter. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like. Cookie batter. Nice.
Nicely whipped.
Again,
Smells good.
so good. Alright, now I'm going to do my favorite part. Beat it! We want them to be a little chunky, but not too chunky that.
Wouldn't it be better if you just rolled them?
Because I want them in chunks. If you roll them, they're gonna like just be powder.
Lightly rolled them then?
It's done.
That's
As
it?
yeah, as long as, you know, there's like little chunks in the cookie. And the taste of Oreo. All right, I must have made a hole.
Of course. Of course.
Of course. And then we pour them into the batter and manually fold it in. What does folding mean? David.
To watch Schitt's Creek
David.
to learn. We won't teach you. Watch Schitt's Creek. Probably the first season.
I think so. Oh yeah. Well, that's a big one.
You smell it.
That's a big one. Okay.
You smell the Oreos.
All right, so I'm gonna incorporate it in the batter, and then we're gonna put the batter in the fridge to harden a bit for about a half hour.
And by the way, we had put in a couple of drops of
vanilla extract. Yes, guys, I forgot.
During our time out, so we just want to let you know we did not forget. It's in there.
It's in there. You just put it in while you're beating. You can actually put it in while you're beating the cream cheese and egg and sugar mixture. So that is it.
So it's as simple as that. Now
So
it goes in the
easy.
fridge for 1 hour.
Half hour, an hour. Overnight if you want. If you want to make it the next day.
Let me see this. How beautiful it is. Oh yeah, it looks nice. People that love cookie dough and love Oreo will love this.
Oh my gosh, so good.
Alright, so I guess we'll see you guys in 1 hour.
All right, so it's been in the freezer for about 2 hours actually. Didn't get as hard as usual, but hard enough. All you need to do now is I sprayed my pan down. You can butter it. It's all good. And I use ice cream scoop. Just take it.
That's your son's was your son's birthday gift.
He pestered us for an ice cream scooper. There, and then you push it down. Push it down. Oh, you see the Oreos. And next, boop. And of course, you continue this all the way down. I'll show you. That's all done. And you just continue. All right, so we made 6 right now. I don't know how big they're gonna get. So we're gonna stick it in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. I'll probably leave them in for 8. I like them extra soft. So when I pull them out, we'll have delicious cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake cookies. Put them in.
Can't wait.
They're ready. Ready. Let's go. Voila. So they're still a little tender, but this one is pretty much fully cooked. So they're fully cooked. You're gonna let them cool. They're just gonna continue cooking. And then they're gonna have a nice chew to it. So there we go. That was
easy to do.
Easy peasy.
And they smell really good.
Lemon squeezy.
I like this one right here. This one looks good.
So guys, that is batch number 2 of our Christmas cookies. Oreo cheesecake cookies, guys. Easy, and everyone will love them. All right? Like and subscribe. Leave the comments. Follow us, man. Subscribe to us. I see people looking, liking, but not subscribing.
A lot of views, but no one subscribing. If you guys
Yeah.
want to keep up to date with the new videos that are coming out, please subscribe.
Yeah, more cookies to come. It's Christmas season.
And a trip that's coming to New Hampshire in 2 weeks. So going to be going to Fright Kingdom, guys. So haunted Christmas event that we've been invited to. So we're going to be covering that. Lots coming. So like and subscribe. Have a good day.
Bye.